Majida namakhulumane wazi. Kaizer Chiefs star, young superstar, Mduduzi Shabalala is in the best moment of his career. Sawungcola ngezo topics apha kule video. Umtshana Mdu Shabalala umbekezele Mbokazi plus 15 players ezivaleke Orlando Pirates. Announce number 15 namhlanje players ezigone Orlando Pirates. Before sidwakhe grand ngalibala support channel bafethu ushaye ulike okanye if aqala udibana channel ungalahli ngaphosozi wezi grand ucofa subscribe apha ezantsi. So yeah, except top story manqale ngomdu. Umdu lo yenzekileyo bafethu. Alathi kuzo zonke young stars ezikhoyo apha kila kwi-Betway Premiership ngoku. Akho mtshana uyoba ne-rise, uyowanyuka, uyowagqabuka njengomdu. Like umdu kuseba against all odds waya umtshana. And ngoku umdu, can you believe ba kuseba umtshana una 21 ngoku and then sesedlale 81 senior matches umtshana. Team be underperforming, underachiever. I-pressure zange nabona youngster criticize njengomdu Majida mna okona bukela idisc. And say youngsters you never criticize okanye slam or destroy youngster. Alathi zange iphele amandla, zange iphele moya. Final squad bafana bafana ngothethayo umdu ngoku i-announce izolo. I-final squad bafana bafana for i-World Cup qualifiers against Nigeria neLesotho. The biggest moment career yakhe umdu ngoku. And except bafethu zange nayidoubt le la team nabafethu. Umdu from the start if except ufollow le channel uyazi bakuse umdu ovena chaza ba except bafethu sanuyichitha le light 10 light enziwa liwe yebonakala potential le light but ese abantu busy ya le light ibone sekwathini ngale kuse umdu ngoku uziprovile ngoku and season isaqala futhi unxiba ne7 futhi ngunumber 7 ngoku Majida. Enye into ekusebonakalisayo umdu ba ise equality Kaizer Chiefs zonke i-coaches ezizafika zavaya Kaizer Chiefs umdu ebedlaliswa zonke i-coaches bezipha Kaizer Chiefs. Waqala nguArthur Zwane umdu wadlala 23 games Arthur Zwane. Yaba nguMolefe Ntsiki umdu wadlala. Yaba ngulawe Kevin Johnson umdu wadlala. Yaba nguNazarudeen Nabi umdu wadlala kakhulu. In fact under uNazarudeen Nabi umdu was the most used player last season behind Yusuf Maart. Ngoku ngqobona apha kwi-news fandaga ngoku before nenze le video bakuse umdu ubreak silence uya-react to le big moment career yakhe bakusejonga mfethu uki-final squad bafana bafana for i-World Cup qualifiers and kuse i-AFCON ikangaka iyeza kuse ngoDecember and then kuse ngoJune after la December World Cup, FIFA World Cup bafethu and ese umtshana uyaziva futhi azithoba kuseyajonga ngoku engathi senifikile. So umdu kuse has been part of under 17 itsho lewe under 20 so kudala i-junior international Majida mali sengoku this is the ultimate dream national team. Umdu i-reaction yakhe ithi bafethu it's everyone's dream to play for Bafana Bafana to represent the national team. So for me I just need to work really hard in the next 2 games. So it's about me doing my job utsho umdu, waiting for the right moment, and I believe if the right moment is now, it will happen now. Numbers are very important in this game for any player, so I'm working on that and working on getting more goals and assists. It was never easy for the light. One thing except for umdu ilawe mentality bafethu bayise umtshana ebe stronger mentally because be against all odds, criticism against again except dlala team underperformayo umdu une ability and potential from makaye fair nyanyane umtshana ngoba ise uyodibana challenges ezibhaya isaqala career yakhe. So yeah, big ups to Mduduzi Shabalala. Sambona ke Bafana Bafana. And then second top story bafethu nanirengile apha like mna before YouTube bafethu nangeyila out sanda ukuthi ba kuse nanchilo but kusenditsho ngoku ku-YouTube neze beyila out bengilamuntu ba senanchilo mbekezele Mbokazi uspecial bafethu and selewe neringa ngisaqala uyibona le ba yo le ayizulasta le ayizukhala kakhulu kuse-Orlando Pirates nge-Betway Premiership le ya-Orkandi le and izokwenzeka fast lo we uMbokazi kusendatsho bafethu why because Majida une like most unazo zonke uphethe zonke basics ne for i-central defender e-Grand noba ungayaphi bakuse Jones khona i-basics central defender uziphethe Majida. And then ke ngoku abe nayo ne-X factor Majida ke ngoku abe nazo kuse niwezi extra pha kuye. I-basics central defending is like ila anticipation bokujonga yazi bakuse ibhola izawuza ngaphi imove enjani and kuse yazi strike bokujonga sakwenza i-runs ezinga-anticipate yafustan plus ne timing now uziphethe basics central defending like I say timing ba okay when to go in for a tackle, when to wait, ukumbono ilawe i-legend best central defender in the world uVan Dijk unalawe yakhe umthi bayise ayisiza idefender yalinda uVan Dijk aka commit same time lawe iba yohamthi nila waiting nje iba ngathi kuseyabaleka kanye buya umba shaya ngale kezawuye. So it's important la for central defender basijonga i-timing yakho jo, even if nebhola kuseziphezulu, if like kungena i-cross funeka ube ne-timing egram asijonga when are you gonna jump, afuneka ngujumpe too early okanye ujumpe too late for ibhola. So ezawe zincane umbokazi kusenayo unazo umjida, plus obviously i-modern football ba i-passing yakho accuracy ye-passing yakho plus ne-passes ozithuzayo iwake umbokazi bafit dala simbona ba isemjida yakhe i-passing ayikho basic nje, uyakuthola ngala left yakhe and left foot uyakuthola ngala left foot yakhe bekuseshaya ibhola kusezibreaker i-lines, create opportunities from central defense jo. Mdala siyibona lo kusena le partner yakhe entsha futhi CM but senamhlanje sitha ngombokazi. So una passing, una instinct, una timing, and obviously i-tackle ukhona and yakhe i-tackle ine volume, inamandla, iyafoster, iqinile. Ngeke ngoku masize ki-X factors zakhe umtshana umbokazi une-aggression machita, and for i-19-year-old unusual way, and nangona umbokazi engekho mde kakhulu uyaziwina i-aerial balls ngoba ntoni uyaqhuma jo. Abanye abantu zikhona iplayers ezinde abafit but abantu umuntu akwazi uspanisa ilanduze ikopi yakhe ayikho good enhloko but umde. Zininzi examples Orlando Pirates, khona players zinde pha ibhoza yam utalent Mbatha central midfielder umbatha umde umbatha manje awufana umbone ispanisa by height yakhe bayise nangu phansi score goal okanye score goal ngenhloko kodwa abantu baba khona gqoka ikona bakhathi ikona. Masangwanye umde bafethu manje Masangwanye awumboni umjida ispanisa ikhanda lakhe. And for i-player ezinde amajida waspanisa enough amakhanda wabo. Nolilepo kwi-Chiefs angikamboni enough ispanisa la way umjida. Manitsi amagama wona anditarget nje la majida xa nje zi-example zegqi apha kumngongoko layazi abantu bazathi ba yabo. Zi-example nje ezigqi apha ngoba semaninzi otherwise amajida afethu ane-height but bayispanisa height yayo. So sembokazi yena ayikho mde kakhulu uyayispanisa to good effect, iyaxhuma la boy. And then ngoku ibe nala ability yayo favorite X factor yam for umbokazi bafethu, and zonke central defenders, most central defenders zikhoya PC aziyenzi la way. Umbokazi bafethu uyakhera ibhola, uyakwazi uqhuba ibhola abreak i-lines bafethu ibalulekile la way uyenza for a reason. Ba kusejonga options ungekho umuntu ovelileyo awuzukhaba nje ibhola for bayisijonga ye-front, nike uthini nike uyithathe ubangene and umtshana unayo ilawe ipace awe kufuneka uyenze ngepace anoyenza slow lawe. So uthatha ibhola ubangene ubreak i-lines uphume from ilawe i-backline unqumleke ilawe central midfield uyongena final third umbokazi uyathuna lawe at speed bafethu and senqoza nje kayenza lawe. Unayo lo ability and imenza stand out but apha anzange zo-highlighta nje ability zakho umjida. Funa ukhota uHugo Broos bakuse uyawathini ngomjida. Elewe ihlangana lewe ndanithethe like last season bayise le ispecialize uhlala beseli Hugo Broos yamazi Hugo Broos bafethu ayiloqatha le coach futhi. So uyabuzwa apha okay ya umbokazi uyenza le final squad. Uthi uBroos from the beginning he showed a very mature attitude. He's confident, he's strong, and he has good technique, and he plays without fear. And this is special for a young player. By the way, captain the Orlando Pirates in 19. I never doubt for 1 second when I made the list not to take him. And uBroos bafana fana in central defenders ezininzi bafethu edlala grand ezinidlala Europe. But uBroos uthi zangathi he never even doubted for 1 second when I made the decision to list him to the final squad. For the 4 years I am here, South Africa, I never saw a defender like this. And uBroos uthetha injalo iwe. So uyamthemba i-coaches ezithanda ukufihla izinto okanye zithanda ushaya zingabikho honest. Ngasayithetha iway umuntu ngasayithetha iway e-heavy e-serious kunzima umbelieve because uyathanda ushaya. uBroos njengoba thetha le way i-heavy lo ethethayo mshito because kuse uMax loko ethetha straight iway uvela ithethe kuse iye ezinkonxa. Nansi i-final points zakhe umjita ehlangana leyo nanithethile ba I think it's good for him to stay another year. Uthi ba kuse so basically uthi kuse for ba kuse mangavayi ngokumjita. So because umbokazi kuse uya breaker out kuse ki last parts ki later stages kwi-final stages the last season njengoba i-season ina 30 games kusenoba umbokazi uthe maybe after 20 games bafethu ne uthe late last season. So I think first full season yakhe le then uBroz wenza i-points important up. I think it's good for him to stay another year. Normally Pirates will play Champions League. He's playing in a good team which is the Pirates, and it will be a good battle to be champions for Sundowns and maybe Chiefs. It will be good for him. So uthi lewe basijonga umbokazi uzaba involved kila weki betwe premiership title race. So uBroz uthi apha basijonga iPirates izo challenge iSundowns neChiefs, uthi maybe neChiefs nayo izo challenge this season. And bendantshilo futhi bengithilo ivideo bendenze about 3 weeks ago laphikiswa again that bakusebafethu Kaizer Chiefs izoshaya abantu kule season base Kaizer Chiefs basoba fethu laqinazo kuse ilanuza ireasons zami nangu se uBroz kuse uthatha le win star base Kaizer Chiefs basoba le season. This is a guy who has to go to Europe, certainly with the skills and the quality he has. This is a guy who has to go to Europe next year. Kabili Hugo Broz ayikho nywenze phendi add emachita. And then final story apha is Orlando Pirates announce a new player vayayo, and it said this takes the list Orlando Pirates vayile players via Orlando Pirates to 15 players have left Orlando Pirates. Many of these nanchili ba say Pirates kuzohamba ubani and then lento yacaphukisa ubani apha ku YouTube ba send thatha up lo ekhona nithethayo ubani njani ahambe ukhuluma amasimba wena bafethu abantu. So 15 players via Orlando Pirates. Number 1 Siphelo Baloni nanjilo bazovaya umjita uvayile. Number 2 Mohawu Nkotha usignwe Al-Ettifaq yase Saudi Arabia. Number 3 Miguel Team nanjilo team uzovaya. Number 4 Zakhele Lephas nanti uzovaya. Number 5 Undaba ithethwa Ndlondlo nanjilo uNdlondlo I think nanti indaba kaNdlondlo ngutouch and go. Number 6 Paseka Mako zange ndibone siza lika Mako but ese uMako. And then number 7 Thabiso Monyane amajita amathu asensiva ninava iweek se from abantu bathembile bayise amajita awareliswanga iPirates more than bayise amajita kangabe nayo kanga abe agreement noLorlando Pirates a contract offer entsha, and amajita atha angcona avaya ko happy ngeoffers Orlando Pirates binazo. So Louis ifans the Chiefs noba kusejonga zigrand ngalo fact okanye ngalo report, because khona ifans the Chiefs zithi ba say I reject ba kuse Pirates ba injani Chiefs kuse sign abantu abankhanga balenze ixesha Orlando Pirates bambazwe ke Pirates la majita kangambazwe bafethu Paseka Mako noThabiso Monyane contractual decision. And in number 8 player vayile Yanga Madiba uvaya on loan waya ki left back na 23 kuse umjito physical nyanyana. In surprise le like Orbit College say Orlando Pirates ayina depth engako phaki left back compared to right back, because say retired ulanduza lomchita uInnocent Mayela, and then say uHoto plus ikhona uNdaba Orlando Pirates kubo sign uNdaba noHoto, and then ephenye left back Orlando Pirates kuse bayikhona kunincinge ixesha elide bafika otherwise Orlando Pirates ne left back eziyi2 machita, and say lewe in surprise le kamchita kaYanga Madiba base uvayile why on loan to Orbit College. Number 9 Tusomole League loan to Orbit College. Number 10 Monapole Saleng yo bafethu ngubani wayisazi ngubani benotsho Monapole Saleng uzovaya ayoki loan Orbit bola ayinanyani. Number 11 Goodman Mosele loan to Chippa United. Number 12 Karim Kemvidi benza wathi bangisejonga ishock le Karim Kemvidi bafethu uvayile on Pirates on loan nandichilo, and kusabanye abantu kangabayifunela inyanda nandichiba kusejonga Kemvidi uzovaya on Pirates. Technically umjita une touch une elegance ebholeni, but kuse you need a far more than that to be successful ebholeni, and kuse Kemvidi ibengayisho engabonisi aggression nehunger ne determination ba okay jonga umjita uyayifuna lewe ebe casual kakhulu umjita, and sometimes iba inyuku shem bone inyuku ePirates iyawatshintsha abanye abantu, and sebonakala uKemvidi man baya and then ndanditshilo and then abanye babengayifuni uyiva le way khe mvuyile uvayile on loan inoni ngathi ndibona black ngathi Iran but kuseka kwezi countries ze-Middle East ngathi obscure so nanoma sikhipane futhi nge-players manje siyapha kweza black. Number 13 Azola Chobeni uyeki usayine Chippa United on a permanent deal ayo loan. Then number 14 Abdullahi S Mariko 2 by 2 Mariko lo Paris se ukho yethithayo bafita abayisejonga sikhipane ngale way lo Paris kalo Mariko abayi2 banegama manjena nanoma sisigezo na bafiti twice se Paris yaqala yasayina wrong kuqala afika lo Mariko nilamashita amagama ayafana nini boy2 ngoba semali lo Paris bafiti ingathi kusekhona lo muntu uStout emali nyanyani okanye noba waxela basuka okanye wayengayazi agent kanale play engayazi bakuse Paris yakufuna bafiti kusefuna uMariko nangu Mariko Abdullahi Mariko kuthiwa ya midfielder ya by lo Paris amsigna then se 2-3 weeks later kafika omnye umjita unegama li1 Abdullahi Mariko naye wasemali and then selona uloniwe lo ngokusheka uyi1 Paris ngathi kusenyane bafika seyasayina uMariko orongo and then finally bafika phela list Kahlego Otladisa ugona nanjye baseyavayo uOtladisa majida otherwise nazo mfana bafethu otherwise kusebafika icela ngalibali kuse usupport channel shaye ulike and then kuse if you got to my channel ungalahle ngiphosoziwe ezikran shaye usubscribe.